Today, I'm going to show you how to play Number Bingo. I will run through the game real quick with you guys so you can see how it works, and then at the end, I will tell you where you can find all the materials and game pieces you will need to play this game at home with mom or dad or a brother or sister or someone else. Um, please don't if you have everything, please don't try and play the game right now. Wait until I've gone through the rules and shown you how to play it before you follow along, okay? First, I'm just going to show you what we've got here. We've two bingo boards. One has a stingray, the other has a narwhal. And we have 10 frame cards that we're going to use. How this works is it's a bingo game. So I'm going to draw a card. Then you're going to place one of your markers. I'm using Goldfish. You could use Cheerios or some other cereal or Legos or coins or whatever little marker you can find that you want to use. Go ahead and use them. So once we got everything ready, you're going to cut up the pieces. These are all in your book. I'll tell you what book and what pages you'll find all of this on. But first, I want to run through the game, okay? So how we play, and I'm going to play two boards so that you can see how it works. To win bingo, you need to get 3 in a row, whether that's across, up and down, or diagonally, okay? All right, so first we're going to draw our first 10 frame, and it's a 6. So I'm going to take my marker, my little chip, my goldfish, and place them on the 6s on the board. So once you've got the 6, then we're done. We're going to draw our next card. Our next 10 frame is 8. So I'm going to place our next, place my next goldfish on the 8s. Now, on the stingray would win if our next 10 frame that I draw is a 5. On the narwhal, if I draw a 3, if our next 10 frame is a 3, then the narwhal will win. So let's draw our next card and see what we've got. I got a 4 now. So we're going to take our next marker and place them on the 4. So now we have a couple of other ways to win now. On the stingray, if we get a 10, the stingray will win. If on the narwhal we get a 9 or a 3, the narwhal will win. So even though I have 3 chips on there right now, still not a win because we don't have them in a row. So let's draw our next 10 frame and see what we get next. 7. Our 10 frame is a 7. So let's go ahead and put our next goldfish down on a 7. Ooh. Now if I get a 4 on the narwhal, we win here. If I get a 3 on the stingray, we win here. Let's draw our next 10 frame and see what happens. 2. I draw a 2, so I'm going to put a goldfish there and a goldfish here. Uh-oh. The narwhal won. Do you see the 3 in a row? We have on 2, on the 10, and on the 8. There's 3 in a row diagonally. So on this round, the narwhal won. That's how you're going to play Goldfish Bingo. You can find all of the materials in your math book that you should have it with you at home. You're going to want to find page 69. 69 will have all of the instructions for you and what you need to do. 71 will be the page with your game boards. And 73 will be your 10 frames that you're going to use as your cards to find your numbers for the board. Okay? So you're going to get some help because you're going to tear those 2 pages out. You're going to put your hand down and try and rip them out. Then you're going to need some scissors to cut the board in half along that dotted line right here in the middle so that you can play with someone in your family. Then you're going to want to cut along outside on the dotted lines all the way around here first. Cut up all the 10 frames and then get them cut them out individually so you can get 10 frames like this so that you can play, okay? After you've played a few rounds with whomever you're playing with at home, your assignment will be to take your 10 frames and you need to place them in order from the smallest number to the largest number. And then you'll have to have someone help you take a picture of that and upload it to Google Classroom in your assignment. And if you'd like a little bit of a challenge, try to shuffle up your 10 frames again, and then try and put them in order from largest to smallest. All right, that's our little mini lesson for math today. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to reach out. Hope you guys have fun. Bye.